Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, you might have guessed that I didn't want to leave things as was last time, since the transfer I was trying to do with both of canvas, putting them together, didn't work out so well. At least I had one of them that looks very strange but very nice also, as you can see now. So I'm kind of glad about it, but the way I wanted to go about it didn't work. Since I did put too much products in my acrylic, I did put too much water, I did put Floetrol and varnish and silicone, which I didn't have to. The problem with that was that since I did, my acrylic was too much fluid, so too much diluted, so it did add good to the canvas. So that's what happened. So that's why I only have one canvas, which looks, I would say, maybe not the best, but it's kind of nice, and it's also subjective. So this time I wanted to go back at the same technique, which is one that I don't think there's a lot of people who try this, because it's mostly a technique that is done with wax paper, which you put your acrylic on and then you slide your canvas, or just put it that way and take it out. So it does a great result, which we did a few weeks ago, or even a couple of months, but we had great results. So anyway, the thing to go, the way to go about it is to leave acrylic as is, without water or any kind of products. Then we're gonna try it. So let's go at it and see what happens. Let's go. by George, we got it. So guys, I think it's real nice. I think we prove once again that you don't have to go crazy with all kind of technique, that you can do something real nice without going overboard. Again, we did put only our acrylic without any fluid, but as you saw, when I did finish, I did find it a bit fade, so I wanted to do something different. So I did put directly some silicone, and I think, well, you saw we did a burn. That's a burn. That's not only a warming, that's a burn. So I had a lot of problems just to get the fire out, but I did manage to get it out. And you know what? I did use after it, I did warm it, and the way it happened, as you saw, I'm sure, the line became more defined. There's a bit of cells that are forming, but not very much. But either way, it's very nice. You know what? Up to now, it's subjective to taste, because some people will like it and others, well, not so much. But one thing is for sure, the way that we did it, it's very nice. It's a real nice change to go about a technique just a bit different to go about it. I think it's nice. I think both of them go well together, that's for sure. Even if they're a bit different, well, that make it all better. So I think we did a nice one. Will I do it again? Well, if I'm gonna be frank with you, if I have a choice to go back to the swipe technique or with the wax paper, I would choose the wax paper. For me, I think, but you know what? Again, as I was talking to you, I was thinking about it, and the result, it's so much similar with the wax paper and the way we just did it, that there's not much different. But of course, you have to use two canvas. With the wax paper, you only use one canvas if you want. So that would be the biggest difference, I think. That if you only have one canvas, well, you can go at it this way. But using two canvas would be a good way to go about it if you have a very big canvas. So because the wax paper limits you on the size of your wax paper. But if you have a big canvas and you want to do 2 or even 3 canvas to go side by side, well, I would go with this technique, that's for sure. And of course, I'm going to try it real soon with very, very big canvas, because I think that's the only way to have a result which is very similar to the wax paper, but you cannot use wax paper when you have a very, very big canvas. But this way, I think it's a good alternative. So guys, like always, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for coming back. And I hope you're gonna come back soon. And please guys, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.